nakakuha mga kaibigan by sila sa iyong bola. Going to his teammate, isang daredevil sa gusto many time for the opening quarter. Tabangay, bounce pass. Tirangga, pilitan, ring hill, nothing but net. 2 puntos ang buling pagsabit. For the napakaganda at napakayamang bayan ng Kalayaan. We have only 6 minutes and 50. Malayang tira ba rin ng hill? Good for 2 points. Talaga, ang pumapalong lamang itong team ng Likas kontra sa team ng Kota for the second period. And a jumper good for 2 points. Ang El Capitan, 255 seconds left. Outside, the 3-pointer. Ring hill from downtown to abangan po yan pagkatapos ng 2 minutes and 43 seconds natin natitira for the second quarter. It is time, the team captain Miguel getting closer. Jumper for 200. Yes, sir! 93 labas sa 8 minuto at walang saglit. Outside jumper Miguel. Bang! 3 points! 1 point kung ginuhit. At isa sa mga kandidato bilang best player of the game. At in the other side, basketball natin ang likas na labas sa team ng Kota. Ring hill, jumper for 3 points, moved by Ring hill. Ring hill, another recover and jumper. Ring hill for the second time, 3 points. We are now deadlocked at 6. 24 seconds to go. Ring hill, good for 2 points. Mukhang masasayang pinagpapag